Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your machine and thread spool before you begin threading. Turn the hand wheel toward you 2 full revolutions to set the needle at its highest point. Place the spool on the spindle and guide the thread through the first thread guide and tension discs. Follow the marked threading path across the top and down through the K-cup lever. Thread the needle from front to back with a 10 to 12 thread length tail for easier catches. Confirm bobbin is wound evenly before inserting. If the machine jams, stop sewing immediately and raise the presser foot slowly. Remove fabric and cut the thread to free the needle and bobbin area. Use a small brush to clear lint from the feed dogs and bobbin case. Check that the bobbin is inserted with thread unwinding in the correct direction. Adjust top thread tension by small increments, testing on scrap fabric until stitch balance looks even. Replace any bent needles and use the correct needle size for your fabric weight. Perform routine maintenance every 8 to 10 hours of sewing to keep optimal performance. Unplug the machine and remove the throat plate before cleaning lint and stray threads. Apply a drop of sewing machine oil to the manufacturer-specified points, usually near the shuttle hook and bobbin case. Use good quality thread and match needle size to fabric weight to prevent breakage. Store the machine covered in a dry place and run a test, seam after maintenance, to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.